Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel CSIT Zone. In the previous video, we have discussed operating system. The operating system is called as resource allocator because it is responsible of allocating resource of a computer. Now, what are these resources? These resources are of two types. One is the hardware resources, another one is the software resources. Hardware resources can be your devices and the memory. And the software resources can be your files and the directory. Today, I am going to introduce you one more terminology, system call. In the previous video, we have discussed operating system provides an environment to the user for executing their program. To perform any task behind that, there will be a thousandth line of the code. To perform this task, operating system provides the set of system calls. Let's take a simple C program in which we are having printf statement. This printf statement internally calls the write system call. The write system calls invokes in order to communicate with the monitor. Now next we are going to discuss what are the types of the operating system. We are having the various types of the operating system like batch operating system, multiprogramming operating system, multitasking operating system, multiprocessor operating system, and the real-time operating system. Now let's discuss one by one in the detail. First, we are taking the batch operating system. In the batch operating system, if the job completed completely, then another job will be scheduled onto the CPU. These jobs are nothing but the simple program. For example, a program to show the output onto the screen. The disadvantage of this batch operating system are it will increase the CPU idleness and decrease the throughput of the system. Now, what is this term throughput means? The term throughput means the number of jobs completed for the unit time is called as the throughput of the system. The example of this batch operating system is IBM operating system. Now, let's move on to the another type of operating system, which is multiprogramming operating system. In the multiprogramming operating system, if a job is leaving the CPU to perform I/O operation, then another job which is ready for the execution will be scheduled onto the CPU. For example, if job 1 is leaving the CPU to perform I/O operation, then in place of that job 1, job 4 will be scheduled onto the CPU. The advantage of this multiprogramming operating system is it will increase the CPU utilization and increase the throughput of the system. The example of this multiprogramming operating system is Windows operating system and the Unix operating system. Now, let's move on to the another type of operating system, which is multitasking operating system. In the multitasking operating system, multiple jobs will be scheduled in the time sharing mode. Multitasking is an extension of multiprogramming operating system. For example, we are taking the timestamps of 2 nanoseconds. Let us assume job 1 needs 4 nanoseconds to complete and job 4 needs 2 nanoseconds to complete. For the first 2 nanoseconds, job 1 will perform, and after that 2 nanoseconds, job 4 will be performed. After completion of this job 4, job 1 will again schedule onto the CPU. This is the advantage of this multitasking operating system. Now, let's move on to the another type of operating system, which is multiprocessor operating system. In the multiprocessor operating system, multiple processors will work together. The advantage of this multiprocessor operating system, it will increase the throughput of the system. It provides reliability and the fault tolerance because if one system down, another one will start. It is economical also because there is no requirement of add another setup. Now, the example of this multiprocessor operating system is Unix operating system. Let's move on to the another type of the operating system, which is real-time operating system. The system which are strictly deadly time bounded means there should be no time delay while executing the instruction called the real-time operating system. This real-time operating system is of two types. One is the hard real-time system and another one is the soft real-time system. The hard real-time system means there should be no time delay. So the example of this hard real-time is satellite system. Now, the soft real-time system is, in this, the time delay can be variable. For example, we are having the banking system and the reservation system. And the example of this real-time operating system is SX1. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in the another video of this series. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share so other also get benefit of this.